brake on. All right, last run. I know where I can make up a little time on the west end. That big sweeper starts out left and then hooks right. There's a lot of like just slop on my part out there. So see if I can clean up that end, just sort of, it's like going in tighter and then wider in the middle, and then setting up for the next turn after that is a challenge. Okay. 37.0. Yes. Nice day at the autocross. Didn't break too. 200 degrees. Everything feels smooth, good, great. I'm gonna try and point it at my trailer now. Okay. Whew. I'm done for the day. That was awesome. What an epic day. Shout out to Real Street Hans. You're the man. Shout out to Divulge Tuning. Steve, you're also the man. Speed Factory Racing. Summit. Honda, Acura. Zimmerman, you know who you are. Big thanks to all the people that helped me get my car put together. Or Source Parts, really. I did all the putting together. Oh, Drew from Heads by Drew. You know the place. Big shout out. Peace. Thanks for watching, everybody. Love you guys.